Hey guys, Ms. Zarden here to help you out with day 38. It's here on your Google, in your packet that's online, but also in your Google advisory classroom, right? Your Google Classroom for advisory is probably the best place to do it. We're in this greenish color today. We're on day 38. We're looking at my community at large, problem solving and planning. So yesterday you came up with two ideas for projects that you could do in your community. Now you have to choose one of those projects, okay? So it says every project has steps on how to successfully complete the project. Examine the projects that you're considering and decide on your final choice. You'll need to organize how you accomplish your project. Some of the steps are listed below to help you work. But I've also got those steps on this Google form here, so I'm going to just show it to you on there. As always, you're going to put your first and last name. You're going to select your English teacher, your math teacher, social studies, and science, and then you can get started. So here's the instructions here. Here's the steps I just listed. So these are some possible steps that you can use to kind of start planning your project. So number one says, decide how you are going to conduct your community help project. So you ended up choosing that example from yesterday where you're going to work on stopping the little free library from leaking anymore because it's ruining books. You're going to start designing it here. So the first thing, make a list of materials that you need, if you need any, okay? Maybe you need some supplies to fix whatever it is. Maybe you need a lawnmower to mow people's lawns, right? Whatever it is that you need help. Then describe how you will make or build with your materials if you're doing this. So whatever materials you list, you'll then also describe how you're going to use them. Then number two, list people that you need help from, if any. If your dad needs to help you cut some wood or help you travel to drive you somewhere or take you to the store to pick up groceries for the little lady next door, right? Any people at all that you need help from, okay? Number three, give steps on how to get the community help projects to the necessary people. So if you figure out that you want to make birdhouses for the people in the neighborhood, what could you or how could you kind of get that out to the people? How can you supply it to the people that need it, okay? And then finally, number four, describe steps to follow to know if people were happier or were helped. So how were you going to know if this worked out? How are you going to know if it was a success, if people liked it, okay? That's what you're all going to answer all of those questions right here. You'll describe your plan in detail. So you have all these sentence frames right here to help you out. All right, my community help project idea is, so tell me what the project you decided on first of all. The first step of your plan is blank, then you're going to do this and then this. You'll need which materials, who's going to help you, and how will you know if your project was successful, okay? So this is where you're kind of figuring out, brainstorming all the different aspects of your project and exactly what you'll need and who you'll need and how to do it, okay? Send your teachers an email if you need any help. Have a good day.